Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. As usual, we'll be picking cards for your daily energies, for your career situation, and love energies, Taurus. So let's see what's coming for your daily energies. First, for your daily energies, guys, these are the cards. For your love energy and career situation, guys, we'll be picking more cards from another deck. And your oracle guidance, and we will open these cards as we proceed, guys. For your career situation, we are picking 3 cards, guys. And for your relationship, 3 more cards. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. And for your oracle guidance, I'll keep 1 card. I'm picking 1 card, guys, from this deck. We'll leave it here. We will turn these cards as we proceed, Taurus. Let's start with the daily reading first. It's Ace of Stars and 7 of Stars in reverse, 7 of Moons in reverse. With these cards, the energy in your situation, guys, is that something you are learning truth about something, maybe using your power and willpower and determination. You are able to find that heart of some issue. Something was obstructing your vision and you didn't know what is the truth behind it, what is the reason for things to go in a particular way, and that is coming towards you. That knowledge you will be knowing today, guys. That may be because of your strength and determination to find out that truth in that particular situation. And you may get some news about something like a gossip or some third hand information coming towards you, but you have to pay attention to it, because whatever is coming towards you, it may have a great impact on your decisions or the path that you are choosing for yourself today, guys, Taurus. So you have to listen to it, and maybe because of those aspirations or goals that you have in your life today, you may not have that willingness to pay attention to those third hand information, but those may be pointing out something that you need to do today, something that will unfold the truth, or in a particular circumstance, or the path what you need to take in the situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. It may be a person coming to you with guidance or some third hand information, guys. So you need to really pay attention to that, Taurus. That is what I see with these cards for your general energies. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation first, Taurus. The Devil, 3 of Cups in reverse, and 7 of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, you are making tremendous efforts, Taurus. You have a lot of things you are in your mind. You are working towards that. You have many responsibilities, and you are caught up in your work, in these responsibilities, and you are trying your best to progress and reach success, reach your goals today. And you may come to an understanding in your work, maybe some obstacles you were seeing before, and you know now what you need to do. in your situation, Taurus. So you have that, you see the end of things, maybe something completing, moving towards that completion today for you, and you are seeing success, whatever projects or whatever dreams or aspirations you have for yourself. You are seeing the beginning of those goals, the path to reach that success. So something you can be happy about, maybe some projects or some financial investments, whatever your plans were, you are reaching it today, guys. That is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Taurus. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship, guys. Tower, King of Cups, Ace of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, Taurus, in your relationship, you are seeing some changes in your relationship, sudden changes. Maybe the illusions that you had in your situation in this relationship, you may see the truth. Just like the previous cards I said, something that is obstructing, that may be the energy with these cards, guys. So you are getting a clear vision, that clarity in this relationship, what you need to do and what is the truth, why this person is behaving in such a way and what went wrong in this connection maybe. And you are a wise and understanding person. You are very patient and you care for this person, and that is the reason you may be trying to find the truth, reveal the truth behind certain circumstances, try to get that understanding. And maybe for some of you, you may have that love understanding with this person, but still there are some times when you have some minor arguments, fights and quarrels with this person, some kind of insecurity or instability that you may feel in this relationship, guys. So you are working towards that. That is what I see, and maybe you will find the reason for your troubles today in this connection, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Taurus. So let us see what is your oracle guidance for today, guys. Community. So this card just means that we have to have that harmonious, balanced team spirit in our life, guys. When we are part of a team, no matter what our position, no matter what our contribution, we will be able to achieve success because of that sense of belonging that we have, and that like-minded, when we are with like-minded people in our life, in our work or in our personal life, we have that greater potential to reach success. So that is what this oracle guidance is about, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.